Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, Red Fly Academy. This is me, Aksa Fazal. I am going to teach you maths. So our institute help to teach you, make your concept clear and strong. If you want to join one-to-one session with me, so you can contact us. The detail will be in description box. So let me start our today's topic. The topic will be how we can find HCF by prime factorization. Let me repeat how we can find HCF by prime factorization. So the full form of HCF is highest common factor. So we can find the highest common factor either in for one number, two, or more than two. How we can find, let me tell you. So the first question you can see that is 12 and 26. And what we have to find the highest common factor by the method of prime factorization. So two numbers are given here, 12 and 26. So one by one, let me find the factors. The first is 12. So tell me that by using which two numbers we get 12. 2 times 6. 2 times 6 is give 12. So we know that 2 is a prime number. Prime numbers are those numbers which can divide just by 1 or by their own self. So 2 is the one prime number. 6 is not a prime number. Why? Because it can divide further. So 6 can divide into further two numbers. We know that 2 times 3 gives us 6. 2 and 3 both are prime numbers. 2 and 3 both are prime numbers. So let me write the factors of 12, which are 12 equals to 2 times 2 times 3 are the factors of 12. Let me find the factors of another number, which is 26. 26. Okay, so which number we can use? If we use 2 times 13. 2 times 13 give us 26. So 2 is a prime factor, as I already described you, and the next is 13 because we know that 13 cannot divide further, so we can easily write it 13 times 1. So instead to write this, let me choose direct from here, 13 is a prime number. Okay, so let's write factors here, 26. Prime factors are 2 times 13. Okay, I hope so. It's clear to you. If you have any question, you can write. I will give you answer. Okay, so 12 and 26. Let me write both numbers in if line form 26 and 2. Okay, so let me find the common number. A number which is common of these two numbers, in between these two numbers, that will be our highest common factor. So we can see that 2 is common because it is also in a factor of 12 and it is also a factor of 26. So 2 is a common number. Next we have 13. 13 is not common number because 13 we just have in 26. Next 2 and next 3. So these numbers are not common. So what will be the HCF? HCF of 12 and 26 equals to 2. 2 is a highest common factor of 12 and 26. I hope so this is clear to you. Let me do one more question. Okay, next question is 30 and 40. So one by one, we find the prime factors of each number, 30 and 40. Okay, so 30, we can write 3 times 10. 10 is a prime number, so it cannot divide further. But we know that we can divide 10 further, and 10 is not a prime number. So it can further multiply into 2 times 5. 2 and 5 both are prime numbers. So what are the factors of 30? 3 times 2 times 5. So one more thing that you can figure out that either you are doing correct or not, you just need to multiply these numbers. If you get 30, so it's mean that you find the numbers correct. 5 times 2, 10. 10 times 3, 30. So you get 30, it's mean that you did correct. Okay. Next number is 40, so it will be easy. 4, 10. Now we know that we can divide further 4 into 2 and into 2, because 2 times 2 gives 4 and 2 is a prime number, so I circle it. 10 is similar as we did in last 5 and 2, and both are prime numbers, 5 and 2. Okay, now let me write the factor of 40, which are 2 times 2 times 5 times 2. Okay, let me write 30 and 40 here. Okay, now the next and the last step is, it's not last, you can say that second last, sometime it's last. So the common number 2. Look, first we have 3 here. Is there any 3 in this one? No, there is no 3. We have 2. Is there any 2? Yep. Which one? This 2. 2 is common. Next we have 5. Is there any 5? Yes. This 5 goes with this one. Remember one thing, that the common number always will write just one time. So that HCF is 2 times 5. When we get two common numbers, so we always multiply them. 2 times 5. What is 2 times 5 is 10. So HCF of, sorry, my writing, of 30 and 40 is 10. Let me change the color so it will be more visible to you. Yeah, 10 is a HCF of 10 and 30 and 40. Find HCF of number 33 and 15. This is your homework. You do this question and write your answer. I will check in description box. Sorry, in comment box, you can write your answer. I will check. So I hope so. This topic is clear to you, how we can find HCF by prime factorization. So if you want to learn anything, any new thing, so you can write in a comment section. I will try to do that. Thank you so much. Have a good day.